which I will try to present it and also indicate from which company it has come and how the committee has reviewed it and what is the point that is being addressed in the clause number and the reference figures, etc. And if you have any further comments, and there are some additional comments which has come in late, which will take up when I take each of the clause details, if it refers to that. Is it okay with you? The first point which comes is related to non-metallic words. The clause reference is 2.1.1 and the page number is 5. And the comment is roughness can be acceptable up to 100 microns, similar to hollowing. So this is the suggestion and which has been accepted by the committee. I want this to be reviewed and later on it is acceptable from the IPC side, which should be looked at.
So that what's wrong in this point is that no quantified number is, so that's kind of you've made a recommendation. Why are you making this recommendation? There's missing quantification, so the Y column, I guess, is missing to make it clear to me.
Yes.
And so I understand, and I think it's a fine comment.
And similarly, it has been mentioned in Hawaii. In 2.1.3, it is clearly defined what should be the quantifiable. To refer to this, the non-metallic verse is more or less is quite closer to the hollowing effect.
Recommendation is acceptance criteria same as measly.
Then you can decide whether to accept it or submit it,
No review this point and then finalize it and present it.
We'll make it more clear this.
More clear.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the suggestion.
I'm taking off of you as well.
Yeah.
Just the point
So you are going to
that
make it
I
more
said.
clear?
Right.
Okay, it will not be there.
Yeah.
All the points are
It
just go through
No, because we are differing from.
No.
Yep.
This because it was a common point between your points and our points.
So the question.
Second point is acceptability criteria condition for class 1 and 2 are tedious and requires cross-sectioning, etc. Better make it is not acceptable as no customers are accepting the delamination.
Yes.
He's a user.
Well, right, and so now you have to decide how you're going to function as IPC India or IPCA submitting comments, and how you want to do this. Do you want to submit comments as a series of individual comments, or do you want to submit a consensus opinion on behalf of all of India?
It should be a consensus thing. Due for amendment or revision. You can take up these points and once for all, it will be inputs to the committee. Right? Next point which comes is de-wetting. The acceptance, the wetting should be greater than 90% and no de-wetting is allowed in pristine areas. And the comment from Centum is figure 242C and 242D shown for non-conforming criteria is not clear. De-wetting cannot be distinguished from the surface finish of PCB.